Thinking of starting YouTube in 2025? Before you start, there are things you need to know to succeed and to avoid common mistakes. So I'll be telling you everything you need to know about YouTube 2025. Number one is choose a niche rightly or wisely. See, it is very important for you to choose a niche that you are going into. Is this niche valuable to my viewers? Is this, am I passionate about this niche? Is this what I want to do? Because you don't follow the crowd because people are doing this and let me join, people are doing this, let me do. No, it is something that you know if your viewers love and if you're also passionate about, that is what you should do. You know why I said passionate about? Because there'll be a time you'll be getting low views, there'll be a time that you'll not be getting engagement like this, there'll be a time you'll be tired. But if you're passionate about this, it gives you morale to push more, it gives you morale to bring out the best in you. So and when you know your audience love this, you also be happy. So you should look at it if this is what the audience wants and if it's what you are also interested in. That's why you have to choose a niche wisely. If you just follow the crowd or do something that you just want to do for doing sake, at the end of the day you will hurt your channel and you start seeing that a lot of people have been talking good about YouTube, why am I not getting it right? Because the foundation is faulty. Two, you must post short. Short is a game changer. Short is something you can quickly get your subscribers, you can get visibility also. So it is important you post short. I know you've been wondering what is short. Short is just a 1 to 3 minutes short clip of anything you want to do that is trending, video, story, anything. Just post it on short. What you're watching now is a long form video, but if you want to keep your viewers or your audience engaged, you need to post more of your long form video. But for you to get visibility and get quick subscribers, you need to post short. The third one, consistency and posting schedule, because you're just starting, so you need to have a time frame. You need to have your viewers should be able to know that by so time this person will be available, and the algorithm will also know that by this time, by this day, this person is also going to be available. And you have to be consistent in it, not that you will do something today, tomorrow you will not do, you will do next year, you will do this. So consistency and posting schedule works together. So you need to be consistent and have a posting schedule once in a week, twice in a week, at what time or whatever. Just do you. That is the fourth one is master SEO and keywords. See, your thumbnail, your title, your tags, everything are very important. Honestly, everything are very important in this YouTube journey. If you don't do the right thumbnail, you don't put the right title, you don't do put the right keywords and everything, your video will not be searchable, and the YouTube algorithm will not even know who to channel your video or what your video is all about. So I'll be putting some of my videos you can watch, and you can watch other YouTubers videos too on this optimization, search engine optimization, keywords and every other thing. There are lots of YouTubers that you can watch their videos and you will get a lot of knowledge concerning this master SEO. And with the help of VDQ, you can be able to get all these things a platter of gold. SEO is called search engine optimization. You need to optimize your video properly. If your videos are not optimizing the right way, the YouTube algorithm will not be able to pick your video, will not even understand where to channel your videos to, and you will not be getting enough views, and that can demoralize you. Do you understand? Fifth one is YouTube algorithm 2025. See, this watch time and this retention, this thing is very important. You need to go watch it and see what your audience like about you or what your audience does not like about you. Your watch time, if you do a 5-minute videos and what you get at the end of the day is 30 seconds, that shows that averagely people watch your video for 30 seconds, which is not good enough, because your video is 5 minutes. At least you should be able to get like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute plus or something. But 30 seconds will just show that maybe it was just the intro or something that they just got attention and they left. So you need to watch it and see where your audience have problem with it. So the watch time and the retention is always very important. So it helps you to get better and better and better each passing day, or get better and better in every of your videos. So watch time and retention is very important, to go back and see what you're doing or you're not doing right. But this is just the tip that will be able to guide you for not to miss your steps, because some person just come in like me. I came in without not knowing all those things. And so even all those things, if I've known all those things, I'll be in a better position that I am right now. But I'm still grateful for where I am. So that's why I'm telling you. If you find this useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notification when my video pops up. And if you subscribed already, you know I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.